Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to chemistry online classes. So today we continue the chemical reactions of amines. That is, second property is acylation reaction. Acylation reactions. In that acylation reactions, there are three types. So first one is, that is reaction with acyl halide. Reaction with acyl halide. So that has been already completed yesterday only. So second one is reaction with anhydrides. Reaction with anhydrides. Primary amines. Primary amines reacts with anhydrides. General formula for anhydrides is half C double bond O, single bond O, single bond C, double bond O, single bond R. In presence of strong bases like pyridine, presence of strong bases like pyridine, to give R NH C double bond O single bond R NH C double bond O connected to R plus R COOH RCOOH. So this is N alkyl acid amide. N alkyl acid amide. So amines, this is primary amines, whether it may be a aliphatic amines or aromatic amines, reacts with anhydrides. Reacts with anhydrides in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form N-alkyl acid amides. To form N-alkyl acid amides. The examples for this reaction is, so first one you take methylamine. Methylamine CH3NH2 reacts with acetic anhydride. Anhydride means acetic anhydride. CH3CO twice O, acetic anhydride. This is methylamine. This one is acetic anhydride in presence of strong bases like pyridine to give CH3NH COCH3 plus CH3COOH. CH3COOH. This is N-methyl. N-methyl. So this N-methyl, two carbon atoms, E type of linkages AN. CONH is the functional group for amides. So therefore, the product formed is N-methyl ethanamide. N-methyl ethanamide, and acetic acid. Acid is formed. That acid is acetic acid. Organic acid, that is acetic acid is formed. Acetic acid is formed. One such example. Second one, if you take ethylamine C2H5 ethylamine reacts with acetic anhydride. Ethylamine reacts with acetic anhydride. This is ethylamine reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form C2H5 NHCO CH3 C6H5 NH COCH3 plus CH3COOH plus CH3COOH. This is N-ethyl C2H5 is ethyl. N-ethyl, 2 carbon atoms, each type of linkage single bond AN. CONH is the function group for amines. That is N-ethyl ethanamide. N-ethyl ethanamide. Okay. So third one, take aromatic primary amine. That is C6H5NH2. Aniline. Aniline. So reacts with acetic anhydride. Aniline reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form C6H5NH CO CH3 plus CH3COOH. This is N-C6H5 means phenyl. N-phenyl, 2 carbon atoms, each type of linkages. Single bond AN, CONH is the function group for amides. That is N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide, N-methyl ethanamide, N-methyl ethanamides. So these are the examples for this reaction. That is primary amine, 1 degree amine. Okay. If we take, that is secondary amines also reacts with, so that is anhydrides. I am going to write general reaction. That is secondary amines are NHR reacts with acid, reacts with anhydrides, reacts with anhydrides. This is secondary amine, 2 degree amine. This is anhydrides in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form R, N connected to R, single bond CO connected to R, R, N connected to R, C double bond O connected to R, plus R COOH. We are going to get N comma N dialkyl. The product formula is N comma N dialkyl acid amide. Acid amide. So in this you are going to get N alkyl acid amide. If you take, that is secondary amine, the product formula is N comma N dialkyl acid amide. Okay. So if you see the examples for this reaction, so we take first one. So dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. Dimethylamine reacts with acetic anhydride. Reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form product. That the product is form product, that is CH3N connected to CH3CO CH3 plus CH3COO acetic acid. This is the name of the compound is N comma N dimethyl. N comma N dimethyl. So 2 carbon atoms each, type of linkages AN. So this is amine group is N comma N dimethyl ethanamide. N comma N dimethyl ethanamide. Second example, if you take, so ethyl diethylamine, diethylamine. So reacts with acetic anhydride. Reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of strong base to give the product, that is C2H5 N connected to C2H5 single bond C double bond O connected to single bond CH3 plus CH3 COOH. The name of this compound is N, N diethyl. N, N diethyl ethanamide. N, N diethyl ethanamide. Take example, that is C6H5 NH single bond C6H5, that is diphenyl amine. Diphenyl amine reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form the product C6H5 single bond N, single bond C6H5 connected to CO CH3 plus CH3COOH. This is N, N diphenyl ethanamide. N, diphenyl ethanamide. Okay, so we're going to products like N, if you take dimethylamine, the product formula is N, dimethyl ethanamide. If you take diethylamine, the product formula is N, diethyl ethanamide. If you take diphenylamine, that is aromatic secondary amine, so you're going to get N, diphenyl ethanamide. So this is about anhydrous reaction with anhydrous. So third part of that acylation reaction is esters. C reaction with esters. Primary amines are NH2 reacts with esters, that is RCOO are in presence of strong bases like pyridine. So the product formula is RNHCO RNHCOR plus ROH. So instead of acid, you're going to get alcohol. This is N-alkyl acid amide. N-alkyl acid amide. So if you study the examples for this reaction is, so first one is, okay, you take methylamine CH3NH2. Methylamine reacts with you can take the ester, that is methyl acetate ester. Methyl acetate ester. Okay, methyl acetate, or you can also take ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate ester. This is methyl amine. So in presence of strong bases like pyridine, so the product formula is CH3 NHCO CH3 NHCO CH3 plus C2H5OH. So this is N-methyl, two carbon atom, heat, type of linkage as single bond AN, CONH is the functional group for amides, that is N-methyl ethanamide, and another one is, this is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Instead of acid, for esters, the product formula is alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Second example, if we take ethylamine reacts with ethyl acetate ethyl instead in presence of strong base like pyridine. So this is ethyl amine. So the product formed is C2H5NH CH3 plus C2H5OH. C2H5. The product formed is N-ethyl ethanamide. The product formed is N-ethyl ethanamide as well as ethyl alcohol. The UPC name for this one is ethanol. Going to get ethanol. So third one examples. If you take primary aromatic amine, that is aniline. Aniline reacts with ethyl acetate ester. Ethyl acetate ester. In presence of strong bases like pyridine, the product formed is C6H5NH COCH3 plus C2H5OH. The name of this compound is N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide and ethanol is formed. So this is reaction with esters, that is primary amine, that is 1 degree amine. Okay. Likewise, esters also reacts with secondary amines. Secondary amines. Secondary amines. Secondary amines reacts with esters, that is RCOOR. This is the esters. In presence of strong bases like pyridine to form RN connected to R connected to CO connected to R plus ROH. So this is N comma N dialkyl acid amide. N comma N dialkyl acid amide. So in that you are going to get N alkyl acid amide. If you take, so that is secondary amines, the product formula is always N comma N dialkyl acid amide. So examples for this reaction is, so first one, you take dimethylamine. This is dimethylamine. So reacts with ethyl acetate. Reacts with ethyl acetate ester. In presence of strong bases like pyridine, the product formed is CH3 NH CH3 sorry N connected to CH3 CO CH3 CH3 single bond N connected to CH3 single bond C double bond O connected to CH3 plus C2H5OH C2H5OH. This is ethyl alcohol. Product formed is N comma N dimethyl ethanamide. N comma N dimethyl ethanamide. N comma N dimethyl ethanamide. So this amide is 2 carbon atoms here. Type of linkage is single bond AN. C double bond O connected to N is the function group for amides, and C2H5OH is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Okay. Second example, C2H5NH single bond C2H5. This is diethyl amine. Diethyl amine reacts with ethyl acetate reacts with ethyl acetate in presence of strong base like pyridine. The product formed is C2H5 N single bond C2H5 connected to CO CH3 plus C2H5 OH. This is N comma N diethyl N comma N diethyl ethanamide N comma N diethyl ethanamide, and this one is ethanol or ethanol. So third example for this reaction, that is esters with secondary amine, is C6H5 NH C6H5, that is diphenylamine. Diphenylamine reacts with ethyl acetate. One is ethyl acetate in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form C6H5N single bond C6H5 connected to COCH3 plus C2H5OH. The name of the product is N comma N diphenyl N comma N diphenyl ethanamide N comma N diphenyl ethanamide. Okay, so these are the products. If you take dimethylamine, the product formula is N comma N dimethyl ethanamide. If you take diethylamine, the product formula is N comma N diethyl ethanamide. If you take diphenylamine, the product formula is N comma N diphenyl ethanamide. So this is the third reaction, that is esters. So fourth one is, this one is important, that is benzonation reaction. This is benzonation reaction. Okay. Benzonation reaction. Okay. Methylamine, primary amine, that is methylamine, reacts with benzoyl chloride C6H5 COCl. Methylamine reacts with benzoyl chloride. This is methylamine. This is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. So to give C6NH CO C6H5 CH3NH CO C6H5 H combines with Cl, SCl. The product formula is N-methyl benzamide. N-methyl benzamide. This reaction is called as benzonation reaction. Okay, primary amines like methylamine reacts with benzoyl chloride in presence of strong bases like pyridine to form N-methyl benzamide. This is N-methyl C6H5. So CONH is nothing but benzamide. Likewise, if you take, that is second example, C2H5 NH2, that is ethylamine, reacts with benzoyl chloride in presence of strong base to give C2H5 NH CO C6H5 plus SCl. This is N-ethyl benzamide. This is N-ethyl benzamide. N-ethyl benzamide. So third example. So these are all primary aliphatic amines. If you take primary aromatic amine, that is aniline C6H5 NH2 aniline reacts with benzyl chloride in presence of strong base to give C6H5 NH CO C6H5 plus HCl. This is N-phenyl benzamide. N-phenyl benzamide. If you take methylamine and benzyl chloride, you are going to get N-methyl benzamide. If you take methylamine and benzyl chloride, the product formed is N-ethyl benzamide. If you take, so that is aniline or benzenamine, and so benzyl chloride in presence of strong base, so the product formed is N-phenyl benzamide. This reaction is known as benzonation reaction. So this is very important. Explain benzonation reactions of amines. You should have to write this one. Okay. So that's about acylation reaction. So next is third one is carbylamine reaction. Reaction is carbylamine reaction. Carbylamine reaction. So this reaction is very important. This question has already been asked so many times in the examination for 2 marks. Explain carbylamine reaction. When primary aliphatic or aromatic amine, is treated with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH, alcoholic potassium hydroxide. This is alcoholic potash or alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Okay. Carbylamine is formed. RNC. Carbylamine is formed. RNH2 plus CaCl3 plus KOH, 3 KOH gives rise to RNC plus 3 KCl. So 2, 1, 3 plus 3, 6. That is 3 H2O. This is carbylamine. Or this is also called as isocyanates. Okay, this is important. When primary aliphatic or aromatic amine is treated with chlorine in presence of alcoholic KOH, carbylamine or isocyanates, which is having a foul smell, or intolerable smell of carbylamines or isocyanates is formed. This reaction is known as carbylamine reaction or isocyanate test. This is also called as isocyanide test. So that is foul smell of carbylamine or isocyanates. Okay. Examples for this reaction is A. You take so methyl amine, that is CH3NH2. Methyl amine. Methyl amine reacts with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH. You should have to write alcoholic ALC in bracket, alcoholic KOH, foul smell of CH3NC plus 3KCl plus 3H2O. This is methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide, which is having a foul smell, is formed. This reaction is called as carbalamine reaction. Second one, take aromatic primary amine, that is aniline. When aniline is treated with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH, or it is treated strongly to give isocyanates, that is C6H5NC plus 3KCl plus 3H2O. This is phenyl isocyanide. Phenyl isocyanide. This is methyl isocyanide. This is phenyl isocyanide, or it is also called as phenyl carbylamine or methyl carbylamine. So both are having, it is foul smell or interval smell. This reaction is called as carbalamine reaction. This reaction is called as carbalamine reaction. So this is very important. So you should have to learn both examples, that is primary aliphatic amine as well as primary aromatic amine. Thank you.